Have you ever wondered how some machines stop, then move, and then stop again, all with perfect timing? From old film projectors to modern indexing machines, there's one mechanical system behind this precise motion, the Geneva mechanism. In this video, we'll break down how it works, where it's used, and why it's still relevant even today. The Geneva mechanism is a gear system that converts continuous rotation into intermittent motion. That means the output shaft doesn't rotate constantly. It moves in steps, pausing between each movement. It's called the Geneva mechanism because it was first used in Swiss watches, from Geneva, to control gear movements with extreme precision. Think of it as a mechanical way to control timing, like a stop-and-go gear. Let's look at how it actually works. The system has two main parts, a driving wheel with a pin, and a driven wheel with evenly spaced slots. As the driving wheel rotates, the pin enters one of the slots on the driven wheel, causing it to rotate by a fixed angle, often 90 degrees. Once the pin exits the slot, the driven wheel stays still. The driving wheel keeps turning, but the driven wheel pauses. This pause is called the dwell time, and it repeats every time the pin engages a slot. There's also a curved locking surface between the slots. This keeps the wheel locked during the dwell phase, preventing any unwanted movement. The Geneva mechanism is a brilliant example of mechanical timing, using just gears, pins, and slots to control motion perfectly. In our next mechanism deep dive, we'll explore another clever system that transforms rotary motion into complex movement, the cam and follower. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this breakdown. Thanks for watching.